They have good appetites. They all eat well. They feed themselves, you know. They come around if they are hungry. We can't keep track of who has actually done how many pieces every day, but we know that they keep themselves very well fed. Now you'll notice that Calypso is being fed right over here in this area. Calypso actually is a vegetarian, or she's supposed to be a vegetarian. Calypso eats lettuce and cabbage, green peppers, and if she's a good girl, she'll get some Brussels sprouts in a little bit. I say she, but you know, the fact is, we don't actually know if Calypso is a boy one or a girl one. We won't know that for a little while until it reaches maturity, but when it does, then we'll be able to tell you if it's a boy or a girl. We think that Calypso is about 15 to 16 years old, and it should reach maturity sometime around 20. These green sea turtles can live to be just about as old as a human can live, so some 75 to 80 years would not be unheard of. You'll notice that Calypso has its left front flipper missing. That was unfortunate, but when we got that turtle, if you look at me, I'll show you how big it was when we first got it. It was this big and weighed about 60 pounds. Now that turtle is certainly well over 3.5 feet from on its shell and weighs 460 pounds. So don't let anyone tell you that lettuce and cabbage is diet food, because she's done very well on that diet food. Sometimes the divers will find teeth. The rays have teeth that all kind of fuse together, and they are in a horizontal row fused together. If they find some teeth, they'll bring them up and we'll be able to show them to you. So come by and we'll be happy to talk to you. As you're walking around today, discovering some new animal and learning some new facts about the ocean and about your responsibility to take care of the oceans, I hope that if you have any questions, you'll check the placards in front of every exhibit. Also, talk to the people in the blue shirts. The exhibit guides love to talk about these animals. That's what we're here to do. That's what we love to do. And if you have any questions for me, I will be here for a little while, and I would be happy to chat with you as well. So, remember, go out and find some reason to be conservative of the oceans. That's the most important part. And have a great day. I think you'll find something to fall in love with. So thank you for coming to the National Aquarium, and I'm here to talk to you if you would like. Thank you.
There is actually a well, but we're getting renovation of this.